Cold start, neighbors, don't hate me. I got the Christmas tree. Don't you like the Christmas tree? Trying to get some lunch right now, man. I'm hungry. You guys can hear that whistle, that T51 Armagh go crazy. Don't she look right? Sitting purdy in this parking lot. It's my favorite spot right here. Oop, don't hit me now. I'll sue. My leg, my back, and my... Package secured, guys. Package secured. Oh, no, 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 no. My chips are gone. My chips are package secured. Can't have my sandwich without the chips. It's like peanut butter, no jelly. You just can't do it. Cereal, no milk. On-ramps are the best. Ooh, that turbo flutter. Get out the way! Everybody needs a single turbo. You gotta have it. You just need it. Don't ask me why. You just need it. You just need it. It sounds so good, and you have that turbo just punch you in the face as soon as it hits. You need it. I'm trying to tell you. You need it. If you don't have the money, save up for that shit. It'll be worth it. If you haven't watched that recent video, how much I paid single turbo my car, definitely I'll put the link down below in the description. But it was a hefty penny, but like I said, it was worth it. I love it when you can get close to a wall and hear your car. Tell me I ain't right about that. Got a wall coming up right next to me where you gonna hear this car. Got a wall right there. This wall right here, watch this. That wall makes that sound echo. Glorious noise. It sounds good. Chee. Quick pull, quick pull. That doesn't get old. That's why I said get a single turbo kit if you can. Get a single turbo kit if you can. Just pulled up to the homies. He's working on this Chevelle right here, 1200 horsepower in the making. Y'all see that's very soon when it's done. Oh, it start looking good in that veneer.
Yeah, it's getting there. Waiting on some piping.
Hell yeah, she coming together. Look at the old schools. Got the SS over here. Got a Shelby over here in the back, lurking. That Duke Clutch live. I'm Lulu. Can't beat that, man. Can't beat that. Can't beat that. So right now we're headed to my boy's house. Just left the shop. It's a hot ass day today. It's about what is it? It's about 90 today in California. Oh, my favorite part. Damn. I need a new exhaust. Stay tuned on that. Made that bit loud. Color is that Mercedes. You got some rims on that shit too. Single turbo E90, making some good power. Look at the pool though. Ooh, wee. Man, that pool looks so good right now. Y'all know it do too. I'm gonna fall in. Oh man, that would feel so good.
That's actually the new one.
This is the new one?
The new old one.
Oh, you just changed the.
I just took both houses. This is a 115, and mine is a 10.
Wait, what? I'm confused. There we go.
No, what I want to do is lock tight these damn valve cover bolts.
Port injection. Watch about that E. Top mount look good. Got my girl over there in the corner. Manual. On air ride too. Besides,
I gotta send them in.
you said the what's out? Oh, the eyebrow. Oh,
yeah,
okay, okay. She's still getting warm. But she aired out though. She look at that fitment though. Look at that fitment though. Can't even put my hand in there, no. Can't put my hand in there. Oh shit! Oh fuck! It's a party now. Bro, you scared me, bro. I jumped, bro.
Cracked the concrete last time.
You did?
Yeah, I think right here. Right here.
Sheesh, she's a wild one, boss. That's what you did with that?
Yeah, when I was backed in this way.
That twin scroll, yep. I can still hear it too.
Yeah. That motherfucker loves spinning, boy. Look at that. It's still going.
See, that's what I'm saying. That top mount kit, man, you don't get that with the bottom mount. You don't get that with the bottom mount.
Shit on there? Oh no.
Oh, your lettering coming off, bro. It says Turbo Gert.
Oh,
Turbo
is
Gert.
it backward?
Turbo Gert.
Turbo Gert need better fucking stickers.
That's not hot.
Yeah, it should be that hot.
That's not hot at all. Now this. Ooh, that hot.
That's low-key hot.
Can't even tell.
Oh yeah.
Then isn't that ceramic? This is this coated. There's not.
Ceramic coat. Yeah, it's like rattle can ceramic, whatever the fuck they call it. I want to redo it.
Brothers, is it it's a WRX, not STI?
Yeah, WRX.
WRX. Got a big old intercooler right here.
Big single.
Big single.
Yeah, it's damn
His
right.
brother's out of town. But ooh, another Precision. It's Precision Gang over here, guys. You guys know what it is. You guys know what it is.
It's a fully, look at that.
Oh, this is super small. Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing's tiny.
It's
What size is that?
0.64.
0.64.
Yeah. Small back housing.
Well, she probably spool up pretty quickly though.
Yeah.
She probably
It's
spool up.
EJ25 with forged rods and pistons, Manly turbo top and Manly pistons.
So built motor,
Stock heads.
stock heads.
Other than that, it's really just flex fuel, 450 in the tank, 2200 D-Torque, just overkill injectors.
She got the works.
We're gonna change up this whole intercooler piping. This was done in a day. This was all just like welded or whatever. We just threw something together because he needed to go get it tuned. But now we're gonna go.
It never even got tuned, huh?
Yeah, no, it's on a base tune right now.
So-
Couple things.
Pistons, rods, and
Pistons, rods, and bearings.
and bearings. Pistons, rods, and bearings. She's
Oil
oil
pump
pump.
mill SDI oil pump.
And she's making how much?
It should be it's set up for make 500
500 on
down
this.
until it gets a PPG gear set.
Manual. The beast awakens again.
Navigation. You can hook up your my main thing I only use this for is this. Like, I don't give two shits about anything else. This and then my Apple CarPlay. Apple CarPlay's in the background. And then I can do all my logs through here. I can view my logs. I can do my settings, my two-step settings and everything in through here. You know, everything's in here for me for my JB4. And then for you, it would be the thing. My thing's behind here right now, but it's wireless. But I need a new box. Actually, I gotta add that to the list. But you can go to Google Chrome if your Wi-Fi's hooked up. Yeah, you can go to all that.
Oh, how your Wi-Fi is hooked up.
Yeah, a Wi-Fi, or you could put a SD card in here, or not SD card. What's it called? SIM card. So I had a SIM card in my old one, but I fucking sent it and I gave her the phone.
That shit clean. That was called Advent.
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 Yeah, Advent right there.
He's on Google right now in the car.
Yeah. I can watch movies and everything, bro.
good. She sounds good. All right, guys, just gonna wrap up today's video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, hit a thumbs up on this video if you guys like this kind of content. Definitely stay tuned. More videos are coming on the way, on the way, on the way. But till next time, boys. See you.